Hello everyone, today we will learn how you can use data validation in Excel. In this worksheet you can see the salesman column. So I need to restrict to enter the text length less than 22. So for that you first need to highlight the column like this. Or else you can highlight the entire column which you are supposed to enter like this. Okay, I'm going to highlight the entire column. Select data and data validation icon here, or else you can straight away type data validation and it will give you the right command here from this. Right now here under the allow, under the settings you can select allow. There I need to change the settings to text length. So here I'm going to give the condition less than the text length 22. Then select OK. Right now you try to type the action more than 22. It will give you the command saying you can't go beyond 22. Right, you can escape and try to type anywhere here because I already highlight the entire column. It will allow to enter only the text length less than 22. Right. If you need to give the command, because I have only given the text length, data validation text length up to 22. If you need to give you another command under the input message, you can give the title and the input message and saying please enter text length less than 22. Like this you can give you the command and you can post the error alert using this. If you select stop and give you the error message here, it will give you the command message box with the cross command, and it will only give you the message to enter the text length less than 22. Error alert I can you can give anything, parameters have been applied or whatever the heading you can give. Right now it will give you the command saying the tooltip please enter text length less than 22. If you try to enter more than 22, it will give you the error message like this with the cross. Right, let's say if you need to give you the warning message and try to enter the value more than 22. If you need to change the action, again you can reselect and go to the data validation rule, and you can change the command to warning or the information. It will warn you and accept the text length to enter more than 22. And let's see, now you are trying to enter the value more than 22. Right, somehow it will alert you and it will ask to continue. If you select yes, it will accept the text length. That's another action you can type. Right, if you select no, it will not accept, but if you select yes, it will accept the error alert. That's another way to control. Okay, now let's see to change the command saying now here you have the names, right? If now first of all I will clear the role. Under the settings you can clear all. Right now I need to change the command. It will only enter the names listed here. Keep on, you need to enter the same name, right? So you don't want to retype here. You can give the list box, and from the box you can select the name, right? So say you can copy the same name somewhere here, right? And you can give the command and it will only allow to enter the names appeared here. Again select the column data validation Right, now this time you have to give the list. So under the allow, select list and just show the position where you have typed the list. So I will highlight the list I have typed there and press enter. Again the input message you can type please select the name appeared in the list and you can stop the error alert. Okay, now let's see. Now here you can select the name from the list, right? Whatever the list box in the command like this, right? Now let's say if you need to enter the new name adding here, right? You can type here say Smith, right? But what will happen if you insert the name under the list box there, but you can't get it back here? So what you need to do is just move this name in between the list type there, otherwise you should have to reselect the data validation. So easiest way is just press the shift and move the name somewhere here in between, right? Then let's see what will happen. It will automatically give the name here, see, right? If you need to get sorted the list there, again you can highlight and select A to Z. It will sort the list, and there also you can see the names sorted A to Z, right? This is how you can control the names, right? Now the same way you can apply the settings to this number of amounts. Highlight the entire column under the data validation. You have already applied the role there. I will clear this settings, clear all, right? I need to give it from the beginning, highlight data validation. So under the settings allow, so this time you try to enter the whole number, say between or less than or greater than, whatever you can select. I'm going to give between 3000 to 10,000 only, right? Now if you are trying to enter the less value what you have given in the settings, it will not allow to enter. So like that way you can type and control the value. So I have already given the name, so I need to input the error alert too, because if you present this data validation control to someone else, you have to give the error alert saying the value limit to enter between 30,000 to 1 lakh. So give the input message saying please enter the value between 10,000 to or 3,000. I have given 3,000. 3,000, no, 30,000. Right. Then you can give the error alert stop. Right. Okay. Then enter. Now it will alarm you the setting, but you have applied only to this cell. So you need to give this control to entire settings, not only to one cell. So you should have to set from the beginning then whole number between 10,000 to say 30,000. Right, input error message. Please enter the value between 30,000 to this much. 10,000 to this much. Right. So please make it okay. So it will give you the error message. Sorry, the message it will the tooltip saying enter the value between this 10,000 to right. So if you are trying to enter less than 10,000 like this, it will give you the error alert. You only can enter between this limit like this. Right? This is how you can enter the whole numbers. So here if you need to restrict the command to appear only for this particular cell, but when you move the cursor here it will appear. So you need to clear this rule, highlight this cell, go to the data validation, and you can say clear all under the settings, clear all. So it will only appear the error alert, the message only to this cell. So I hope this data validation is helpful as a way to require a context, whether be a number or text, or also wonderful to create a drop down like this. So thanks for watching this tutorial. So please consider to connecting with me on this channel, and please do subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. And if you enjoy this video, click like below and watch new video every Sunday. Thank you very much.